Hello all. This is Hussein Khan Faisal Ahmad Zakir. I'm gonna be presenting the group project today. So first, this presentation examines how Kevin Kelly's technological force of accessing in transforming the healthcare industry as industries shift from ownership based system to and demand service models. Healthcare is rapidly evolving. We will always analyze how access-based technologies such as cloud computing, um, um, telemedicine, and digital platforms are reshaping healthcare operations and patients' experiences, while also creating new ethical and regulatory consideration for modern healthcare systems. So, I'm gonna be addressing next slide, opening theme. That's healthcare has traditionally relied on physical infrastructure, paper documentation, and locally owned systems. However, digital transformations is shifting healthcare towards service-based access models. Rather than owning systems, um, provides new subscribe to digital platforms. This shift allows greater flexibility and stability. Today, we explore how this transition fundamentally changes and care is delivered, managed, and experienced by patients across the world, different healthcare and environments. So, next is host introduction. Welcome to our discussion on Kevin Kelly's concept of accessing this technological force, emphasize service-based across our ownership. In healthcare, this shift has major operational and financial and ethical implementation implications. We will evaluate how digital platforms improve efficiency, expand patient access, and reduce infrastructure cost while also examining the cybersecurity and governance challenges that accompany this transformation. Overview of accessing. Um, Accessing shifts economic value for owning assets to use service on demand. Cloud computing enables organization to access like computing power without maintaining physical servers. Digital platforms centralize service delivery and subscription subscription models replace capital intensive investments. As per in this model, access to tool systems, informations become more valuable. The physical processions fundamentally changing, and organizational strategy and operational design. So that's it for me, and from now, my click will continue.
Hello everyone, my name is MD Moni Hussain. Now I'm going to present the slide number 5, why healthcare. Healthcare is particularly relevant because it has historically depends on costly infrastructures and in-person service. Rising operational expenses and increased demand for remote care accelerate digital informations after COVID-19. Investment in telehealth, digital records, and AI diagnostics illustrate how healthcare is rapidly embracing access-based models to improve efficiency and patients' outcomes. Slide number 6. The traditional healthcare models. The traditionally healthcare organization relied on paper-based records and locally stored data systems. Hospitals owned and maintained their IT infrastructure, resulting high capital cost. Patients' data, particularly portability, was limited, and geographic location restricted access to care. These ownership-heavy models create inefficiency and slowed the collaborations between providers, making scalability challenging in growing healthcare systems. Slide number 7. Shift towards access-based healthcare. Today, Healthcare system increasingly adopt cloud-based electronic health records and telemedicine platform. Software as service application allow provider to subscribe to digital tools instead of building internal systems. Remote monitoring device and mobile health application extend care beyond hospitals wall. This access-based approach improve scalability, flexibility, and responsiveness to patients' needs. Slide number 5. The current findings and trends. Telehealth adoption has expanded globally, particularly after the pandemic. Hospitals are maintaining to cloud infrastructure to improve efficiency and scalability. Artificial intelligence assists in diagnostics and predictive analysis. Subscription-based digital health service continue to grow as patients demands convenience and accessibility. These trends reflect healthcare's steady transition toward digital access models. Now, rest of the presentation will be present my next presenter. Thank you all.
Hello everyone, my name is Gausuddin Sayed. I'm here. I will take care of the next slide is economic and operational impacts. Access-based systems reduce infrastructure and maintenance costs while enabling scalable healthcare delivery. Cloud platforms allow real-time patient data access and improve coordination among providers. Digital tools streamline administrative process and support new revenue models such as virtual consultations and subscription-based care services, enhancing both operational efficiency and financial sustainability. Next slides, positive impacts. Accessing improves healthcare availability for rural and undeserved populations through telemedicine. Real-time monitoring promotes preventive care and early diagnosis. AI-driven tools increase diagnostic accuracy. Patients benefit from greater engagement and convenience, while providers gain improved data access, leading to more informed decisions making and coordinated treatment strategies. Next slides, negative impacts and risks. Despite benefits, digital healthcare introduces cybersecurity vulnerabilities and data privacy risks. Dependency on third-party vendors increase systematic exposure. Digital inequality may widen disparities in low-resourced areas lacking reliable internet access. Additionally, automation and digital systems may displace certain administrative roles, requiring workforce rescaling and adaptation. Next slide, challenges and surprises. Healthcare's digital adoption accelerated rapidly after COVID-19, exceeding many expectations. However, institutional resistance remains in traditional systems. Regulatory frameworks often lag behind innovation, creating compliance challenges. Trust concerns surrounding patient data security also persist. Integration between new digital platforms and legacy systems present ongoing operational difficulties. From now on, my friend Syed Faizan will take care.
Hello everyone, my name is Syed Faizan. So I will be continuing. Future predictions. Future healthcare systems will likely incorporate AI-driven predictive analytics, expanded wearable integration, and decentralized digital care models. Fully cloud-based hospital infrastructure may become standard. Personalized medicine powered by data analytics will improve treatment precision, while access-based platforms continue redefining service delivery, and patient engagement globally. Coming to next slide, broader societal implication. Access-based healthcare promotes democratization of medical services by expanding reach and flexibility. However, ethical governance and data protection frameworks must evolve alongside innovation. Workforce reskilling becomes essential as technology advances. Collaboration between technology firms and healthcare providers will shape the future structure of global health system. Coming to conclusion, accessing fundamentally transforms healthcare by shifting focus from ownership to accessibility. Cloud platforms, telemedicine, and digital service enhance scalability and efficiency. However, organizations must balance innovation with cybersecurity, equity, and ethical responsibility. Strategic adaptation will determine whether healthcare systems successfully harness the benefits of this technological transformation. Thank you for your time. Thank you for having us.
Thank you everyone for joining our assignment recordings.